This is our raw material warehouse. And here we put many raw material for PVC air blowing granule manufacturing. And here, this is our finished product of PVC air blowing granule. We will load the container the day after tomorrow. This is finished product. Now let me show you the finished product quality. This is brown color. This is black color. And this is green color. And this is purple color. And this one is blue color. And also the red color here. The final color is the honey color. This is the favorite color from customer. Our annual output for 1 year is 10,000 tons. So welcome any customer's order.
我们下一次要剪开哦。嗯，可以。是的，是吧？把它剪开看一下，用剪刀把它剪开。不结束。
You can see our product is very good quality. The density is very good.
然后蹭那边。
You can see our product has a very good density and also very light. So now let me show you our finished product of the testing sample. You can see how the good effect it is of different colors. And also you can see except the slippers and the chemicals, we also have this one. This is the plastic accessories, plastic flowers. The flowers color and the slippers color are matched. KINGKUNG Create one-stop solutions for you. We provide machines, most material, chemicals. So if you have any inquiry, just feel free to let us know. KINGKUNG Create ready for you. Thank you.